Wagwan people, hey, welcome back to the lessons on how to talk Jamaican language. Today we are going to look at the demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, and those. Alright? Follow me now. This ya, da. This movie funny. This a lesson easy. The cell phone is almost dead. Note, yeah, is often in this particular demonstrative pronoun. And also note that sometimes the ya can be placed before the actual object of the sentence, like in the case of the lesson, or it can be placed after the object, the noun, which is, in this other case, the cell phone. That one. Yo, that rhythm shot. That one there, a for him one. That one there, a for we car. Note that the word de is often used in this particular translation of the word that. Them here, them ya, these. My sister did give me them here. Hey mama, them your store expensive? These clothes are dry. Them there, them there, those. Wait, them there is over one. Hey, them they draw funny. Lord. Those people are sampling up. Well, I hope you enjoyed the lesson today. Plenty little things there are to learn about the language, and there is definitely more on the way. So, subscribe, stay tuned. Blessings.